Hi, Misha.
Hi!
What are you going to show us today?
Packaging squishy!
Yeah, you're going to show us your favorite squishy packaging?
Yes, I will show you.
Let us see.
This,
Wow. Popular rocket, right?
yes.
Why do you like it?
It's so cool and awesome.
What is your next favorite packaging?
This one.
Oh,
Mommy,
it's
tummy.
Mommy and Tommy?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
But it have bats and Spider-Man.
It has, oh yeah, it has ghosts and spiders and bats.
What's the brown thing on his top?
Stitches, yeah.
The stitches.
There's a stitches. What's your next packaging, Mitch?
French fries and cheeseburger and hamburgers.
Wow. Those are French fries?
Yes.
Look how cute the pictures are.
Under cheeseburger and French fries.
Cutie creative French
And
fries.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola? You mean Coca-Cola, right? These are the French fries.
And they're going to eat it.
Not really.
Yummy bear.
Ooh, strawberry yummy bear. Why do you like it?
But we'll just have strawberry and little hot chocolate and do the side.
Creamy candy. Yummy bear mascot. Where's Yummy Bear?
Here. Here's a little heart. Here's strawberry poop.
That's not poop, silly.
Oh, that's a strawberry poop.
Oh, is it a poop? Okay.
Yes.
It's a poop then. He is super squishy and cute. Okay, what is your next packaging, Mish?
Bunny ice cream.
Bunny ice cream from Bunny's Cafe, right? Why do you like it?
We'll just have a bowl.
Yeah, it has a lot of characters here. Look at this cute little girl here. Right?
Yes.
Like
And she's
you.
driving car.
She's driving a car.
Yes.
It's like a minivan. The Bunny's Cafe ice cream.
See?
It's really, really cute. Wow, that's so soft.
Go, go, gaga.
Hey. What is your next packaging?
This one.
Who's that?
And that's Japan girl.
Japan girl, Japan kimono girl, right?
Yes.
And we like it because it's pink and it has the girl on it and she's so sweet. It's like Misha, look. Just like Misha.
And
Fun.
have two bowls.
Yeah, she's got two bows. She's got pigtails. It's from Vlampo.
And she has a brown shoes and the black shoes. I she can put the hair.
And she's got a little thing in here.
It's like she put the coin inside.
You think she's got a little coin pack?
Yes.
A coin purse? What is your next packaging, Mish?
Ice cream.
Jawa ice cream. That's our favorite, right?
Yes.
Jawa soft serve. Why do we like it? Because it's so colorful.
Yes, and it's green.
It has candies and cupcakes and cakes. Soft serve ice cream. Jawa. Do not eat. Now we can take it off.
Lick it, guys.
What's your next one, Mish?
This one.
Oh, the sleepy sheep from Wow.
This one's pink one. This one's the yellow one.
Sheep and moon. It's very, very cute. And they have the pink one and the yellow one. But Misha actually has the blue one.
He's cracked.
Oh, but cracked, yeah.
It's
We like to
okay.
squish it. It's okay.
Don't squish the face, okay, mommy?
Okay, I'm not gonna squish it. I'm just gonna poke it a little bit. Just squish the side.
Poke it a little bit.
What's your next one, Mish?
This one.
Let's call it orange squishy. We don't really know what that is.
Orange squish.
Yeah, but we like it because it's so cute here. Look at all those animals on the train.
And there's giraffe and
Yeah.
a monkey.
So we like the packaging, but do you know what was inside?
Egg.
Here's the double egg.
And it's blinking the eyes.
Oh my gosh. What's your next one, Mish?
This one. Sailor bear.
Sailor bear. How many do we have, Mish?
1, 2.
We have 2. And they have the same packaging, right? There's a boy, Fuzzy, and a girl, Woozy. So cute. And the packaging is really, really cute. So they are like little sailors on a boat.
Bear.
That's Woozy.
And
There's Fuzzy. Fuzzy. Woozy. Little girl. What's your next one, Mish?
this one.
What is that?
Vlampo.
Vlampo dog. What's his name?
Tony.
His name is Tony. His name is Lug Hands Tony. I don't know what that means.
And he's sleeping, and so he got like,
Snoring on a little cloud.
and he's cooking with his hat.
Uh-huh. That's on the other side. Hold on. There he is cooking. Where's Tony? There he is. Sleeping Tony.
That's his tail, and he's not pooping.
Uh-huh.
And I don't squish his tail.
Yep. What is that?
And that one's Starbucks.
Tony Buck Shop. That's right. The dinosaur, right?
I got this one.
What color is it?
Green.
You got the green one, but they have all colors, even a rainbow one. But they didn't have it when we wanted to buy it. Looks like he's yawning. What? Is he squishy? Not really, yeah. Hey. So what's your next one, Mish?
This one.
Oh yeah, I like it too. That's a brand new one, right?
Yes.
What was in it?
A vampire.
There's a vampire in there. Pat Pat Zoo, and the name of the squishy is
Papa popcorn. I'm scared. Yeah.
super squishy.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Mama.
Aw, love it. Any more packaging, Mish?
Yes.
What else you got?
I got this one.
Oh, that is so cute. What is it?
It's a baby panda.
So this is the egg, and there's the baby panda in it. Whoa. This is a baby, right?
Yes. And so
He's
he
got that little elephant. Guys, I think we get a last one. The biggest one, right? Will it fit in the camera? Let me see. Whoa. That's huge. Toys Box Shop skull. So that was your favorite packaging, right?
Yes.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to
Subscribe. Bye.